Well, if you feel you've tried everything and you're still not able to drop weight, then pay attention. Well, there was a study done on 100 people who were fed in excess of 1000 calories every day for a month. Ideally, if everybody was fed 1000 calories who were doing the same kind of activity or same workout for a month, they should have all gained the same amount of weight, right? But the weight gain varied between every individual. Now, that mainly happens because of one thing, your overall activity. So whereas somebody could have a higher metabolic rate or higher metabolism and they don't need to do maybe 10,000 steps and they can even lose fat at 2000 steps, some people need to do 15,000 steps to lose the same amount of fat or get the metabolic activity to that level, which means that it's going to be different for different people. But that doesn't mean that you give up. You can always increase the amount of activity that you're doing. You don't need to actually get into the gym, or you can go for a walk. You can figure out different ways to cut down your calories. If you were losing weight when you're doing 10,000 steps or 12,000 steps, then probably consider doing those amount of steps again. If you were losing weight when you're eating some kind of restricted amount of calories, then you want to probably get back to that. So don't blame your genetics, don't blame anything. It's the hand that we are all dealt with. Might as well make the most of it. All right, keep it simple. All the best, and share this with somebody who can benefit from this or who has a fast metabolism, because man, I'm jealous of those people, but it's fine. All right, all the best.